Should hybrid creators fly drones? Five questions you may need to ask yourself. Versatility. So as a hybrid creative, the first thing I'm always thinking about before I make a camera or a gear purchase is how versatile is this piece of gear. I would dare to say having a drone as a hybrid creative professional is one of the most versatile tools that you can get in 2022 going into 2023. So who's this video for? This video is for hybrid creatives looking to add drone services to their already existing line of work, or if you don't have a drone and you're thinking about picking up a drone for your hybrid business, this video is for you. You all can think of me as like the hybrid homie. You know what I'm saying? I want to help you guys out. I want to help you accomplish your goals, and I want to learn from you as well. So let's jump into it. Question number one, are you doing jobs now that adding a drone into the fold would increase the value of that job? So a few examples that I use as a hybrid professional and services that I offer would be weddings, sports, and real estate. Those are three services that I offer to my clients that I can implement my drone within those types of videos. Question number two, do you have money to invest in a drone? I got one back here. So we got the Air 2S, I got the MAVIC 3 Classic. I'm gonna be making a review on which one you should buy later on. But do you have enough money to invest in one of these drones? Everyone on YouTube is gonna tell you something different, but I would say that you need between $1,000 to $2,000 to invest in a good drone, and there's no starter drone. Shout out to Alex. You guys, if you guys watch any drone stuff on YouTube, you know who Alex is. He said it best, there is no beginner drone. When you're looking at drones to buy to make money, there is not like a perfect starter drone, because you can make money with the Mini 2, you can make money with the Mini 3 Pro, you can make money with the Air 2S. So question number three, do you have a passion for flying drones? I'm not joking with you. I'm not trying to give you guys any cliche. If you're not passionate about flying drones or learning about flying drones, this might not be something you want to get into, because like any other skill or like any other trade, if you go into a job and you hate what you do, you're not going to be very good at it, even if you make money. So flying drones isn't something that you want to get into if you're not passionate about wanting to fly drones. Like me personally, I love flying. I love being in the air. I love the perspective that I get when I'm in the air with my drone. But needless to say, I wanted to ask you all that question about passion, or if you have an interest in flying drones, because if you don't want to waste your time and energy trying to get into the drone business if you're not at least passionate or interested in flying drones. And that's going to lead me right into question number four. Do you have time to learn how to fly drones? So what I mean by that is, like any other skill that we have to learn as hybrid professionals. If you're a hybrid creative, you know how to do photo, you know how to do video, you know how to edit photo, you know how to edit video. Those are all different things. You know how to color grade. We can get into the nitty gritty of all that. But when you become a Part 107 drone pilot, when you start flying drones for money, there's a certain level of time and skill that it takes to be able to do that for your client and to feel comfortable doing it. But you got to ask yourself, before you even think about buying a drone, what drone you need, how you're going to use the drone, you got to ask yourself, do you actually have the time in your life and what you're doing in your hybrid work to actually dedicate to becoming skilled at flying drones? So I got a bonus tip before we get to question number five, and that's my motto. I'm not the most knowledgeable person in the world, but I do take flying drones very seriously. It's not a hobby for me. I do it as a professional. My motto is, and if you remember this motto when you fly drones, I promise it will help you. My motto is get up, get down, stay safe. That's my motto every time I fly a drone. Get up, get down, stay safe. I'm always thinking about that when I'm in the air, because flying a drone, you've seen a million videos, flying a drone is quote unquote easy, but it's still a level of you have something in the air and you need to know how to operate that. You need to know where you can operate. You need to know when you can operate, what areas you can operate in. There's so much more to it than just getting the drone and putting it up in the air. So really always try to think about that if you do get into this drone world. And last but not least, question number five, can you pass the Part 107? So for me, this was probably, I don't want to say scared, I wasn't scared, but I'm not a very good test taker. Shout out to all my teachers in high school, junior college, and university, because I always loved learning, but I didn't like taking tests. I still don't like taking tests. If you want to fly drones and make money legally, you have to pass your Part 107. Now, I'm not the FAA, I'm not the drone police, I'm not going to tell you what to do. But I would be lying to you if I didn't say that having your Part 107 has a lot of benefits, especially for someone like me. I need to have the Part 107 to make money because that is the law. So you never want to be in a scenario where you don't have what you need and you have to talk to law enforcement, park ranger, FAA inspector, construction site manager. You just want to have that Part 107. So my last question, number 5, is probably the most important about this whole video. Can you pass the Part 107? Are you willing to put in the time to pass the Part 107? So I'm going to be dropping a lot more photography and videography content based around drones on this channel. All we're talking about is hybrid creative stuff on this channel, but we're going to be focusing on drones. So if there's anything you all want to know regarding drones, photography, videography, what drone you should get, let me know down in the comment. We're going to be making a lot of videos. Video drop every Tuesday and Thursday. Y'all remember the motto: get up, get down, stay safe. I'm the hybrid homie. Peace. I'm the hybrid homie. Peace.